On November 6, voters will be asked to make 3 decisions about building improved facilities to provide new opportunities for students and our community. The SPS bond proposes to add 3 new middle schools and replace 3 existing middle schools. The new and replacement middle schools create additional classroom space to move 6th graders into the middle schools and lengthens the time between critical transitions in the middle grades.
As a parent, I am a big believer in the work that our district does to support our kids. And I think that as we have changed the model and we're moving to the 6th through 8th grade middle school, that provides another opportunity to give our kids a really high quality education and makes them ready to take those next steps as they move forward into high school and then beyond.
Moving 6th graders to middle school frees up space in the elementary schools for more classrooms at the K through 3 grade levels. This allows the district to focus on the state-required class size reductions in those grades and also eases crowding in the elementary schools. Learning in those early formative years establishes a vitally important foundation for long-term educational success. Smaller class sizes give students more individual time with teachers and helps them become fundamentally sound and make steady academic and social progress. 6th grade students will begin to transition to middle schools in about 3 years. The move has to be carefully timed to make sure student learning is not interrupted and is expected to be completed in about 5 years. Please contact Community Relations with additional questions or to request a presentation for your group. Remember to vote by November 6th.